Hey everybody, Jim Hahn back with you, and thank you for checking out our rosary making course again. And today, in this video, we are going to work on making the cross. This is probably the most asked for explanation of all time from me. How do I make this cross, and how do I make them so sturdy, whether it be a small chaplet like this or the giant wall rosary like this? How do we make this cross? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the cross. Again, we're going to turn the camera around so you can see what I see and see exactly how I do that. If you do have any questions from this video or from any of the other videos, you need twine, reach out to us, realliferosary.com. Happy to help you in any way we can. But right now, we're going to jump into how to make the twine, the all twine cross. Let's do it.
Right below our centerpiece there. So I'm going to make another Our Father. And so at this point, if I were to add a crucifix, this is where I would do it. I would add the crucifix. Basically, all I'm doing is taking it through the crucifix or the metal, whatever I'm using, and passing it back into the knot and back through the knot. And we have other videos that show exactly how to do that, but this is where I would do that. But on this one, I'm going to make a twine cross. I want to show you how to make the twine cross. So we're going to tighten that up. So now we have an Our Father, 3 Hail Marys, and another Our Father. So I'm going to make another Our Father sized bead, and this is going to be the top of the cross. So 4 wraps is going to be the top of the cross. So we're looking at something like that. So here's the centerpiece, Our Father, 3 Hail Marys, and Our Father, and this is the top of the cross. So directly below that, and I try to get it as tight to this last bead I made as possible, I make the bottom of the cross. And for that one, I use 7 wraps. It reminds me of the 7 sorrows, the 7 last words. Just a little mental meditation there while I'm making it. And so I pull that. You'll notice that to make the cross, I try to keep everything tight towards the center, right? My life is centered on the cross. The cross has to be the center. Everything's moving towards the center. Something to keep in mind. So I'm going to pull it away, but then I'm always going to pull it back. So I'm going to keep doing that until I get a good, strong knot at the bottom. You can see how strong that is. It's not weak. It's not wimpy. It's not falling over. Good and solid. You'll also notice that I have a very small gap here. Actually, it's just exactly the size that I need for the twine to go there. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to tape it fairly close to the bottom of this cross. I'm going to roll that around like I normally do. Then I'm going to cut that off. I just have a little bit there. You can see that little frayed piece there. And I'm going to melt that down. So we're going to roll that around so nothing catches. And so now I have almost everything done. I just need the arms of the cross. And so we have that small space there. And I'm going to take this extra piece of twine that I have. I'm going to place it right underneath that short spot. Okay. And then I'm going to just make an overhand knot. And I'm going to tighten that up as tight as I can. So you have something that looks like this. Just an overhand knot in between those 2 beads. And so then I'm going to work on the arms of the cross. And so for the arms of the cross, I make 3 wraps just to make them just a little bit smaller. And I pull it away, work it towards the center, pull it away, work it towards the center. A good, strong arm there on the cross. And we'll do the other side. Again, 3 wraps. Pull it tight, and then I'm going to work this knot away from the center, back towards the center, pulling it away and back until I get a good, tight cross. Right, and that's the key, is working them towards the center, always towards the center, and trying to make that cross as strong and as tight as possible. So I'm going to cut off this excess like this. Then I'm going to melt these ends here. Same thing on the other side. And then we're finished with this neon yellow twine rosary. So that's what it looks like when we're done, after we've already cut all of the twine, we've made all the beads, we've joined the center, we've made some more beads, we've made the cross. This is what we have. This number 36 twine nylon cross or rosary, I'm sorry. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out the other videos on different products that you might want to try to make, different crafts. Contact me if you have any questions. If you need any more help, I'm here to help you. Please check out all of our stuff on Real Life Rosary, www.realliferosary.com. Make sure to watch the rest of the videos on this rosary making course. Thanks again. God bless you.